In this video, I am going to show you how to add products to a page in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my Wix website and I want to add some products to my home page. So to do this, I will open my Wix website editor, and now from the left menu, I am going to click on add elements, select store, and here we will see options for the product. I will select slider product gallery and drag it to my page. And as you can see that our products are now added to our Wix website page. Now if you want to add particular products to your page, then click on settings, and here we will see an option for the categories. So I will choose my category, and now it will show only category products, or you can also select best sellers and related products. After that, click on settings, and here you have other options as well, like what you want to show. If you want to hide any of these items, just uncheck it, and as you can see that price is now hidden. After that, you can also set the image hover effect from here, and if you want to show add to cart button, then turn it on. After that, we have the layout option. You can change the product display style from here. You can change the product alignment from here, and also you can select how many products to show. After that, we have other options as well that you can use, like design, text, quick view, and manage. So this is how you can add your products to a Wix page. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.